Basic Witch. Hello darlings, welcome back to my channel. Firstly, if you are new, come in, sit down. It's very exciting to meet you. My name is Sophie. I make new videos on this channel every single Tuesday, Thursday and Sunday, and today is part 2 in clearing out my closet. I have an obscene amount of clothes. It's embarrassing, but I'm starting to work through that. It's taken a lot of therapy, a lot of I mean, it hasn't, but it needed to, because it was actually worrying how many clothes I have. Getting rid of all the clothes I don't wear, either by giving them to a charity shop or a family and friend. I do kind of want to set up Depop, but for me it's like a lot of effort for not too much money, and I think I would rather make the donation to charity. So that's what we're doing today, guys. I'm really excited. Today we are focusing on my drawers. So I have a massive set of drawers in my bedroom and they are absolutely rammed with clothes, like rammed with clothes. And in part 1 of this video we actually cleared out my wardrobes, and my wardrobes, as you could see if you've seen the video, the clothes are up here. So first of all, get cozy. I am literally in the coziest jumpsuit ever. Like, this is the coziest thing. I think this is from Topshop. I will link it down below if I can find it. I'll also give you links of any clothes you might see today that you like. And shall we go? Shall we? Oh, where is my cup of tea? No, I need to go get my cup of tea. I got my cup of tea. Get cozy. Take your makeup off. I've only got a tiny bit today, just something on my lips, something on my eyes, and we're all good. So, shall we get going? Shall we laugh at my embarrassing clothes collection? Yes, I think it's time. First thing I'm going to do, if I move this round, is start taking everything out of the drawers. Like, I'm just going to take everything out. These drawers were actually from IKEA, and they are the Hemnes range, I think. The one thing I did forget to do is glue the bottom inside the gap. I think I learnt that from Rianne and Ashley, and I totally forgot. Yay, great memory. But when I move house, which is hopefully soon, I will do that. I've just found a ring. I'm going to put it on. That's okay. A ring in my clothes drawer. Guys, do you see what I mean with this falling down? So in future I'm going to glue in here this little crevice thing and put this in there when it's glued, because this is so annoying. Okay, I'm going to do drawer by drawer, but just as a little embarrassing visual for you, all of this, all of that was just in one of the drawers, like one of the drawers. I've already seen items that I thought I'd lost, but they're here. They were just all the way at the bottom. What was that noise? Okay, so I'm just going to work through it. This is going to be fun. How are you guys? I wanted to chat you through a few things. I've been making some video ideas, just a plain white t-shirt by the way, which I think is from H&M, and it's the organic cotton range. So I'm going to keep all my like basics together. By the way, H&M do the best basics ever. I have been devising video ideas. I would love your kind of input on what you want to see on the channel, what you want to see more of. I'm definitely going to be doing more food tasting type videos, because those are the ones I love doing. So I'm going to currently planning some date night type videos, which a lovely viewer gave me the idea to do. Harry Potter t-shirt. This was actually part of the subscription I used to be part of. I wouldn't recommend doing that subscription. It was like £40 and you got a box every 2 months, and the stuff just wasn't that great, but it will make a good kind of PJ top. I've decided that I'm going to put my PJs in at the bottom drawers now. Yeah, that's what I'm going to do, like casual t-shirts, PJs, things like that. This is a really nice jumper. This jumper is actually from Ralph Lauren, and it's a gorgeous woolen jumper. I think it's woolen, and it's just black and slouchy, but we're in that summer vibe now, so black jumpers need to take a jump. Making a pile of what needs to be hung up, what needs to be given to the charity shop, what needs to be thrown because it's so bad, but that can be hung up. This top is a Primark top and I kind of liked the shoulders on it. It has like these crisscrossy shoulders. I'm probably going to give this away though because I don't wear it anymore, and I also don't really like the fabric that it has. This is a basic vest top from H&M. So that will go with my tees and basics. Do you guys like these more casual style videos? I like filming them, but whether you like them or not, I don't know. Obviously my content is just gonna flip up all the time. I'm definitely always going to stick to my whole ethic of affordable living, frugal living for young people. But that's going to, yeah, if you have any ideas you want to see on the channel, do let me know. Harry Potter PJ shorts, how cute are these? These were actually a gift from my sister. I'm gonna keep them even though they look like knickers on me. They are so small. One of my ballet t-shirts. As some of you may or may not know, I do ballet, and like once or twice a year we get together and do a show and just put it on for the public, which is always fun. And that t-shirt was from a couple of years ago. This is a grey loungewear set. I'm going to throw these away because I don't wear them anymore. I might give them to charity because someone else might, but it's a grey loungewear set I think I got from either Pretty Little Thing or Boohoo. These are like some harem type pants. They're nice, I really like them. Yeah, I might keep them because they're really like casual and comfy and airy and light. They're definitely for like doing some gardening or chilling out around the house. These are some hot pants that I got from Universal Studios. Again, I wear them to bed throughout the summer months, so I'll keep those. I have a body. This is actually from Misguided. It's a long sleeved black body. I might keep this because it's just one of those tops that, you know, someone can always put this to use. So I'm going to put that in my goey outy pile. I don't have many goey outy clothes right now. Where are your favourite places to shop? Because I'm kind of lacking motivation on shopping at the moment. I don't know whether that's because, I don't know, I'm just not feeling it at the moment. Like, I will see clothes and just think, I like it, and just, you know, I need to get my buzz back. I do love ASOS because it has a bit of everything, and I do love Topshop. Why is there so much fluff in my tea? This is a Jack Skellington top. This was from, I got it in America while I was in America, probably from Disney World, so I'll keep that because that's like a memorable thing. Oh, we have another Walt Disney World t-shirt. I might actually give this to charity. Where's it from? $32. Like, seriously? Okay, I'm gonna keep that because that seems quite expensive for a t-shirt, so I need to actually put it to good use. I will probably wear that with PJ shorts though throughout the summer because it's a really nice cotton feeling top. We have some jeans, some mom jeans from Topshop. God knows why they're in the drawer. I just seem to stuff everything everywhere, so I'll put these in the hanging, in the wardrobe pile. By the way, Topshop mom jeans are the absolute best jeans. I would say size up unless you've got super duper skinny legs. I would say size up in your mom jeans from Topshop because they just fit nicer, like they fit really nicely. It's my birthday soon, guys, as well. How exciting. I'm still in my 20s and I've still got another 4 years of being 20 in my 20s, so that's kind of scary. Like, I don't have 5 years anymore. I have 4 years, but oh well. Let's just roll with it. Let's just go with it, guys. Here is a pair of lovely trousers. I got these from River Island, I think. Oh no, they're from Zara Basic, and they are the nicest trousers. I flipping love them. They look so nice with like a crop tee or just a nice white vest top or even a jumper. So I need to hang those up and actually start wearing those. We have some River Island jeans. Someone commented on my last video saying, oh my god, why are your pants always inside out? I don't know either, I really don't. I just seem to always have my jeans inside out. Obviously I wear them the right way round, but I do have them inside out. Yeah. So while I was doing this, I wanted to chat to you guys through some things personally to me. First of all being that obviously you may have seen I did a charity shop haul, and my mind's kind of like blown away by the whole charity shop thing. I think because I've never really experienced proper charity shopping. I go there and buy my books, but I don't actually buy much else. I just buy books. And it's such a shame because there is so much to be bought there. Like if you buy from Depop or eBay or secondhand places, then why not go to a charity shop? Because sometimes the clothes are perfect, like the actual perfect condition. Gym leggings, I've been looking for these, so I need to keep these separate. Not that I go to the gym, I just wear them to go on walks. I actually don't go to the gym, guys. I'm gonna throw this top away as well because it doesn't fit me. It's from H&M. It's got this nice lace at the top, but the bottom, after it went in the wash, shrunk. Even though I put it on the right wash, 30 degrees. But I'm going to give it to charity because I'm sure some lovely slim girl would look fabulous in that, and it's great for like if you work in an office. Okay guys, comment down below who watches Game of Thrones. So I was always anti Game of Thrones because I just felt like it would be weird and it just looked odd, like it didn't look right to me. So I don't know why, I just was never into it until my boyfriend had season 8, the last season? He had season 8 episode 1 on, and I was reading a book, and because I've never watched it I thought, oh, I'm just gonna read a book. I'm so not into it. Anyway, I found myself staring at the screen. Well, by the way, how cozy is this? Fluffy Grinch jumper. Yeah, it's Christmas already. So yeah, he was watching it and I thought, no, I'm going to just not engage and just ignore it. But it was actually really good. Like, oh, that smells nice of clean washing. I need to hang that up. So yeah, but I ended up watching it. Harry Potter shorts. It was really good. So I started season 1 episode 1 and it's kind of just escalated because now I'm on season 3 episode 2. Am I okay? But it is super good. So if you do watch it, let me know your favourite characters. My favourite character by far is Arya, and I also absolutely love Tyrion. I think he is fab. I think he is like so great, such a great actor and such a great character to play, like being part of like the evil family, but he's like quite a good guy at heart. And also his dad is so mean to him, which I hate. Basic witch. I am using some of like Marie Kondo's tips here, by the way, but I'm not rolling everything up, only because at the moment I might be moving house, hopefully soon-ish, this year at some point. And if I do, I would like to not have rolled all of my clothes so perfectly and then have to move house. But when I move house and all my home tools are up, I will be doing like a clothes organisation and things like that. Does anyone label their drawers? I'm so tempted to label my drawer like what is exactly in here, so I don't put what's not meant to be in there again. Does that make sense? Here we go again. This skirt is from Zara. I do like it. I only wore it like once this year, so I'm probably going to give it away because I don't wear it, so what is the point? It's a nice denim skirt and it's from H&M. The only thing is, it doesn't fit very well. It's like an A-line, and my body is not A-line. My body is very much big bottom, tiny waist. So it kind of stretches the buttons here, but then it's too loose on the end. Like my legs look like little pinpricks. So I'm gonna give that away, sorry. Okay guys, so that is one side sorted. I'm not going to do my underwear drawer because that is pretty much done. But can I say I've given away so much that is now empty. Yes. I can't get over it. But now onto this drawer. This drawer holds a lot of jumpers. So we have this massive Zara hoodie here. We've got H&M jumpers, t-shirts. It's just got so much in there that it's a bit of a joke. So some of this stuff might actually go into that empty drawer up there. But like things like bras, like does a bra really need to be in there? No, it doesn't, Sophie. Really like this. It's a pinafore and it's from, where is it from? River Island, ASOS? River Island. I think it's really nice, so I'm definitely keeping that. I've got to the mindset where I just do not keep clothes that don't fit me because I'm sick of saying, oh, one day that will fit me and blah blah blah. Well, one day isn't now, so let's just get rid. Like, these jeans from Zara are really small, and I don't like low cut jeans. I don't know what made me buy these, to be honest. I think I wanted some like really nice dark jeans, but they're very low cut. Like, sorry, but my waist, my hips, no, just no. Okay guys, so in this drawer, which is the drawer I've just cleared out, I am going to be putting kind of jumpers and casual t-shirts that we wear to bed, because it's quite a big drawer. This drawer is bigger than all of the others. It's quite a deep one, so it's good for jumpers. This drawer of this set, this is basically full to the brim of just random clothes, like random ones that we have thrown in. So again, there's no organisation right now. I think I'm going to turn this drawer into like my boyfriend's drawer, because he has loads of clothes here, and because there's so many clothes of mine everywhere, he doesn't really know where to put them. So we are going to turn this into his drawer. Give him some space because I'm feeling nice today. Okay guys, so here is basically afterwards. So this whole pile here needs to hang up in the wardrobe, and this big pile here is going to charity. So all of that's going to charity, which is great. My charity bag is getting bigger and bigger, I won't lie. Today's video was just like a casual, nice chat with me vlog while I get some bits done around the house. I hope you enjoyed anyway. Hopefully I'm moving house, so I will be doing lots of moving vlogs and lots of things like that. And I feel like I deserve a few new clothes now. I've got rid of so many, because I know it looks like I have a lot, but I don't actually have that many anymore. I really don't. I'm kind of living in the same things all the time, which is fine, but I can treat myself to a couple new tops. Do you agree? Do you agree or not? I hope you enjoyed the video anyway, guys. If you did, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up. I have lots of exciting content coming your way very, very soon, which is so exciting. So if you enjoyed this and you want to see more, don't forget to subscribe down below. I will see you again very, very soon. I love you very much.